Using 3 round pieces of paper to cover the red circle at the bottom, you can get a brand new phone. Sounds like the boss is doing a favor, right? But in fact, this phone is not so easy. To get these 3 pieces of paper, want to completely cover the red circle below. In order to increase the difficulty, they will also shrink the piece of paper and increase it to 5 in this way. It will be more difficult for the player to control in the end. It becomes a game of luck, of course. As long as the game itself has no problems, as long as these players have tried many times, can find the correct position of the piece of paper, the red circle at the bottom is completely covered. You can take away your own pride. This route might be the only reason your bloodline survived the harshest famines in history. Because while it looks like a dry stick, it is actually packed with a life-saving starch that people have harvested for thousands of years. Because after digging deep into the mountain soil to find the oldest roots, they're taken to a cold stream to be scrubbed clean of every bit of dirt. As they are then chopped into small chunks and pounded in a stone mortar, the tough fibers are broken down to release the hidden nutrients inside. But the most important step happens when the pulp is mixed with water and filtered through a fine cloth. This separates the woody waste from the precious white liquid. This mixture is left to settle overnight under the moonlight, allowing the pure starch to sink to the bottom and form a thick clay-like layer. Once the excess water is drained away, the remaining paste is mixed into a smooth slurry and poured into a thin metal tray. As it is floated over a pot of boiling water, the steam instantly transforms the liquid into a translucent flexible sheet that is incredibly durable, which we all know as kudzu starch.